Hello, this is Peter, and this video is a general overview of CAPS265. This video is meant to kind of give you an overview of each of the weeks in this session, an overview of expectations that I have, some tips to help you moving from week to week, tips to help you understand how I grade, and just in general to help you be successful in this course overall. I will make and publish more specific videos each week, breaking down the assignments, tips to help you on those assignments and expectations, and those will be coming. Look for those in the announcements each week. So for the general overview, again, probably at this point you don't need an overview of how to run through the courses, what's available here, where to click, where to go. But off to the left, of course, you have the welcome start here, which gives my information. Email is the best bet to get a hold of me. I'm more than happy to set up a Google Meet that really break down any questions you have. Might be the best in some situations, but email is the fastest for me to respond to. All your other resources here, such as your syllabus, supplemental syllabus, which you would need for your intro quiz in week 1, and just to give you an overview of the course, is all available in this area. So this link here, the welcome start here, is just a general spot for a lot of different resources in this course. I'm looking at the tracking calendar, which is a great thing I always print them out and kind of paste them up where I'm doing my work. But one thing to be aware of is there are 2 different ongoing projects, okay, your portfolio project and your multicultural awareness, okay. Those you'll look at in week number 1, and there are going to be weeks like 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the multicultural, and 2, 4, 5, and 6, I believe, for the portfolio, where you don't actually have to submit any work. But as you'll see, as I break down those projects, there are steps you should be taking care of towards the final product. So even though they're not listed in the tracking calendar here, there are work to do for those assignments weekly, so you are pacing yourself for the final assignments when they're due later in the course, which would be 6 for the multicultural project and week 7 for the portfolio. So just keep that in mind when using that tracking calendar, okay? So we kind of just go week by week, starting with week number 1. We're working you into the course. Of course, each week you're going to have a discussion. The discussion is based on the lectures. You know, the way this is set up is basically the order you should be pretty much doing things, okay? You should be reading your lecture, okay? Your discussion is based on the information in the lecture. You may have, as you see here, links to click on to assist you in your discussion post. When doing discussions, okay, the expectations that you post your initial post by Wednesday. This is meant to be because other students need to comment on your post. And if everybody waited till Friday or Saturday to post their initial post, it becomes very difficult, obviously impossible to post and respond to people 3 different times, which is an expectation. So posting by Wednesday, and that's part of the grade when I grade initial posts, is that you've posted by Wednesday so that you have the courtesy of other folks having the time to comment. So as I mentioned, you should be commenting on 3 different classmates throughout the week, being active in 3 different days. And I will respond to everyone's posts throughout the week. And I generally respond and also ask a question. So another expectation with the discussion is that you are responding to me as well, answering my question and getting a dialogue going, which is the point of the discussions. When responding to me and everybody in reality, please respond with my name in the heading. So when I do the grading and I look at your post, it's a big line of posts, and if I don't see like Professor or Peter is fine, I don't know who you responded to, okay? So it's very important when responding to me, because that is part of the grade. You respond to me, has my name in the heading, okay? So for week 1, the big thing here, you have, again, your lecture, your discussion. There is a document quiz. There is then the multicultural awareness project. This project is going to give you an overview, and there is something to submit. Again, I'll break down those by week. And the portfolio project directions, okay? So there's nothing due for the portfolio project week 1. but you should be reviewing it as part as you're working week 1. The best bet is to get a hold of me early on if you have any questions. And again, I will post a video breaking down just that project, but earlier than better, you should check that out. Okay, so we go into week 2, same process, lecture, discussion, and just a reflective essay in week number 2. So again, you should be kind of working on your other assignments during this week. When doing these essays, in general, most of them throughout the course are 750 words is looking as a minimum. Okay, so when writing an essay, just to give you an idea of what it looks like as far as word count, 750 words, single space, looks like this. So you're on to a second page, and at least about halfway down. Okay, so just to kind of give you a general overview. I mean, I'm not a stickler if you're 740, but if you're 500, that is part of the grade. That's just the rubric that I go by, and I can tell pretty easily if it's not, around this range. Okay. Other thing when writing, make sure you are indenting your paragraphs. You're spacing things out. Just makes it easier to read. This is true for the discussions as well. So you look at these discussions, if you look at the discussions, which would you rather read through? Just one big giant paragraph like up top here, or one that's divided into sections? It is just a mental thing, but sometimes this is definitely easier when you divide it up. And the discussions also is divided into several questions most week, so you can just divide it up by paragraph, and that's just a way to help out your classmates, make it a little easier for them to read. So week 3, again, everything's got a lecture and a discussion. The articulation worksheet, that is part of your portfolio project. Okay, so that is something that has to be turned in for week 3 for that project. The check-in is just letting me know how you are doing. Again, I hope by this point in week 3, if you are struggling, we've connected and worked out some problems, but most definitely take advantage and take that seriously. And I look at those and see where you're at. Week 4, lecture discussion, same process. And then you have the Career Connect assignment for that. This assignment and others throughout the course are going to be a video submission. Okay, so you upload your videos to YouTube, and then you turn in a document with that link to YouTube. Okay, this submission here is about interviewing, basically. So if you have any concerns with recording and how to upload to YouTube, I'm telling you now, just so you don't have to wait until the one of these videos are due, and that way you can work out the kinks if need be prior to that. Again, lecture, discussion, working our way down throughout the topics. This is a good one, important one. How to ask for a raise might be a pretty important assignment or discussion that will help you in life. The scenario essay, you have to do this simulation first before you write the essay. So you work your way through that. And that has a variety of jobs that you'll pick. Just pick the one that's closest to your field. It doesn't cover everybody for sure, so pick the ones that's closest. So then in week 6, you have your financial literacy lecture, discussion, and then the financial literacy presentation. That is not a video, that is a screencast, which eventually turns into a video, but it's basically a PowerPoint where you're talking over the slides. Okay, so again, what I'm using now is called Screencast-O-Matic, and that is usually the best way to do that. And then your final submission of your multicultural project is due this week as well. Week 7, this is the big one, the portfolio project. Again, that'll be a video. This is basically based on all the work you've done in your Bryan Stratton career so far, proving what you learned and how it's going to help you in your career. Okay, so besides your lecture and discussion, that's all you have due. So you should be putting your final touches on that video. But again, doing all the work step by step throughout the weeks to help you make this week go real smoothly. And of course, your last week, we're just kind of riding off into the sunset with the lecture and discussion. So again, I'll be posting videos each week with specific on the assignments. But if you have any general questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.